Are we headed for a crash? While we cannot predict the future, we can definitely follow trends of the market in the past and try to prepare ourselves accordingly. My name is Ariane, and I'm a mortgage loan originator for Streamline Home Loans here in Las Vegas. Let's get into it. To understand the instability of the real estate market, let's look at our basic knowledge of supply and demand. The basic rules of value is, if there is an abundance of supply, the demand goes down, and therefore the value goes down. In the opposite scenario, in a lack of supply, its value becomes greater, then creating more demand. Basic high school knowledge. Now we must look at the current real estate market trends and see if the value of homes are going to crash. I will put up some charts from Redfin to visually support some of these claims. In this first chart, we analyze the median value of homes for the past 5 years. We do see a decline in price from 2022 to 2023, yet houses are still $100,000 more than pre-pandemic values. This decline is what is creating the panic, but again, we must look into the supply and demand to determine the trend. In order for this to keep falling, we must see an increase in supply. Now in this chart, we see the supply or the number of homes for sale in the frenzy of 2022, where everyone wanted to sell their home to take advantage of the high home prices. We see an increase of homes being sold in 2022, and then that supply decreasing due to rising interest rates and people not qualifying, so therefore sellers not selling. And looking at an even bigger picture, supply is still lower than pre-pandemic times. So unless there is a huge increase in supply out on the market, the basics of economics and supply and demand says that we are still in the safe zone. In the next chart, we analyze the amount of homes sold above the list price, which determines if investing in real estate is still a good idea. Here we see the pre-pandemic, 20 to 30% of homes were being sold above list price. This is incredible. Then came the extremely low interest rates, shot up the demand for homes, and sellers took advantage. We see 60% of homes being sold above asking price, and to regulate this, we now see a drop. Yet we are still at 20% of homes being sold above asking price. Now you might be saying, but Ariane, where I live, home prices have dropped significantly. This can't be right. Yes, these charts are showing national data, and where you live might see something completely different. So how do we know where you stand specifically? Well, people are migrating somewhere. So if people are leaving your area, your market will be significantly different than an area where they are migrating to. Here we see a migration map. As of January 2023, with Florida receiving the #1 spot of inbound migration, and Texas and Arizona coming in at second and third. We see California with the highest outbound population, New York coming in at second, therefore seeing a decrease in their home prices. So where do we stand here in Las Vegas? Here we're coming in at third in the top 10 areas people are moving to, which is keeping our housing market okay. In conclusion, research where you would like to invest or where the risk is going to be greater. And if you feel a little more secure with this information and would like to move to Las Vegas or purchase here in Nevada, hit me up and we can get you started on your process. Hope this helps, and if you'd like more information, you can always reach me through social media, my email, or my website. Until next time.